Hello everybody, SAF Info here. Hope you are well. Today I'll show you how to see YouTube videos and use other apps. So this is pretty simple. So let's start. First of all, update your YouTube apps from your Play Store or App Store and then open it. I opened and this is your home page, and click to the profile icon beside search, and then click to the setting option, and here you can see lots of options here, and then click to the first option and scroll down, and you can see an option that picture in picture. Click on that and go back and click to the search icon and search your favorite videos. And then open any video and go to your home, and then this is start. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel. And one thing, here you can use any other apps easily, and you can scroll down anywhere. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Goodbye.